Tuesday, May 23rd. It's my daughter and son-in-law's 8th anniversary and my stepdaughter's birthday as well. Amazing. Time just flies. Frankly, I forgot about Turner's anniversary, and I think she might have too. I'm not sure. Time just, you get so busy. What do you know? All right, this has been here and it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the Big Water Cowl. The Big Water Cowl. So beautiful. Spectacular. Oh my gosh. Sparkly. Gorgeous. Better than anything else, it's a free pattern, the Big Water Cowl. And we have done it in Millefiori Light Luxe. See that colorway? I think this and this are the same, right? Gorgeous. $19 a skein. One ball wonder. One ball wonder. This is it. You can do it. Fabulous. You could, we did a 3-needle bind off here, but you could also do a Kitchener and you wouldn't see that little hump, but then again, who cares? Is this just not gorgeous? So gorgeous. All right, $19, Millefiori Light. This is one colorway like the sample. Then this one is also gorgeous in the purples, burgundies. Lovely if you're that kind of a person. There's some navy blue in there. And this one is more blue greens, blue greens, blue greens. And there's some burgundy. I see some burgundy. A little bit darker, a little more mysterious. These are the 3 colors. Gorge. One ball, $19. You're home free. Make it as a gift. Christmas will be here at some point. So you could get ahead of the game in these idle days of summer that are now coming up, right? Memorial Day weekend soon will be upon us. All right, I think that's all I have for today. Thank you everyone who has shopped with us today and turned in their $25 reward cards. Ray was on the phone making phone calls and people responded. Happy day. We've got money sitting here waiting. So we're trying to let people know that that's something they may have forgotten. So there you go. All right. I will definitely see you tomorrow.